Hello. Hello. Rồi. Hello. Let's see.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
I'm sorry, Charles. I was talking and then I was on mute. I'm sorry. I'm so
Uh,
sorry.
I don't worry.
But yes, how are you today?
Uh, okay. Wait. You can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Okay.
Okay, I want to tell you something.
Yeah. What?
I'm trying to remember the time. Wait a moment.
Okay.
Because I want to be accurate. I think after your lesson, or while, if we had a lesson last Friday, you would have seen or you would have seen me run because of an earthquake. Last Friday, we didn't have a lesson because we didn't have water in our area due to a strong earthquake, right?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, are you okay? No, it's
Yeah, thank
good.
God I'm okay. Do you want to hear my experience?
Okay. Yes.
It started in the morning. It was like 9 or 8 a.m. 9 a.m. Early
Yeah.
9 a.m. I was in my room. Yeah, I'm a girl. I like to dance in my room. So yeah, I was dancing in my room. So I have two phones and I have an Apple and I have a non-Apple one. So this one, the non-Apple one, gave me a notification that there will be a shaking soon, like an earthquake. So I didn't read it. I didn't finish reading it. I went outside because my mom was doing the laundry. And the moment that I was in our laundry area, that was when the ground started shaking. It was so it's strong. Do you want to see how our chandelier was moving when it
Yeah.
started?
Yeah.
I had it documented because I want to share it with all of you guys. Wait, where was it? No, not that one, not that one. Ah, did I just delete it? Wait a moment. It's in my Facebook. No, it's not
Oh.
that. Yeah, so that's our Christmas tree. That's how strong it was when it started. And that's our Christmas tree already falling down. That's the beginning.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. So I immediately went to my sister's school because it's 7.6, very strong. So when I stepped foot in the school, my sister's school, I immediately started crying because maybe I was afraid and I was shocked. And in the nighttime, when I canceled our lesson, about 10 or 20 minutes after I canceled our lesson, we have another big earthquake as strong as the one we had in the morning. hmm But
Oh.
this time we
Scary.
were on the streets and suddenly everything went dark because there was no electricity when it was shaking. So up until now, it's still shaking, but it's scarier because the earthquakes happen now in the nighttime. So I'm in our living room, and me and my family will sleep in the living room tonight. So that if it happens to have an earthquake while we are sleeping, we could go outside easily. So that's our situation right now.
Also, are there any casualties?
There are. Thankfully, not much.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But there's still casualties. It's so sad. A lot of students are traumatized. Actually, we do not have school for 1 week because it's still shaking, and the students are afraid to go to school because our school is has a tall building. So the students from the tall building felt the shaking. Mm-hmm. So yeah, for 1 week, the children will not go to school. And in a different city, this 1 a.m. today, there was another big earthquake, but not in our city, but it's still close to our city. So, uh, I'm having a lesson right now without the certainty of being safe. I don't know if I will end this lesson safely. Hopefully, I will. But yes, that summarizes how my situation is right now. Okay, so how about you? How was your weekend?
Uh, wait me. My internet, I think it's not good. We
Yeah,
will.
it's not that good.
Now, hello.
Yeah, it's much better now. Oh, you're drinking something. I'm also drinking something. I'm not trying to say that my favorite color is pink.
My
And your is what's the word? Was it a
what?
Vietnamese word?
It's the a present from when I buy a product. I forgot.
Ah, okay. And by the way, today I'm sharing with you. I bought this is not part of our lesson, but I would like to share it to you. I finally got another one. I call it my baby.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been wanting
it's
this for,
nice, nice.
yeah, thank you. I've been wanting this for 2 years now, and finally, I have it.
Congratulations.
Yes, it's an achievement. Okay, so let me see, where did we stop last time?
I
Uh,
uh
lesson 6?
I remember. If I don't forget, we say it. We can study grammar
Yeah,
in a one week.
grammar.
Grammar, yeah,
Present simple, verbs. Thank you for reminding me. Yes, I said that
yeah.
we will review that. So let's have that. Where was that? So you want to learn the types of verbs? Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
in one week. In one week.
Yeah, for 1 week.
Oh my God, I have many exams last week.
So is ver
Many exams.
Oh, you're done.
No, not.
Not
It's
yet.
very much. Maybe I think I'm straight.
So you're still preparing for it?
Yeah.
In the Philippines we call that Hell Week. Sorry for the word. But what do you experience, right? Okay. So this is the verb tenses, which we will not have for now. We will have the verbs first. So let's start. Uh, here. There are four kinds of verb. So first we have action verbs. Action verbs. Next one, linking verbs, modal verbs, auxiliary sorry, helping verbs, transitive, intransitive. Okay, so these are the kind of verbs. So we will go through this one by one and we will give them examples. The example of an action verb is an action. Running, what else?
Swimming.
Eating, yes. Swimming, did you say that?
Swimming, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is an action verb. It states an action. This is the most common verb, right? When we are introduced or when we are asked, what is a verb? We say it's an action, right? Okay. So next one, we have the linking verbs. When we say linking verbs, it is am, is, what else?
Are.
Are. Yes, these are the common example of linking verbs. They they connect sentences. For example, I am Shalice. Actually, this is my name.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's pretty beautiful.
thank you. That's my name. I got the jump from my second name, Shalice Jamel Lenore.
Ah,
So I have three names, but I think it would be easier to remember me by the
yeah.
name Jam. So I used it.
Oh, very
Mhm.
cool.
Yes, thank you. So yes, this is an example of a linking verb. Most of us, this is what people don't know. Try to ask the people around you, or let's say, I don't know, people who is studying English. Give them this. I am receiving messages. Wait a moment. Let me see if it's important. No, it's not important. Okay. So try to ask the people around you if give them this sentence. Let's say I am Charles. So ask them to find the verb. Most of them cannot answer it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that is the most difficult part in terms of getting to know verbs if you were introduced to in here this one without knowing the kinds of verbs. Anyway, where was I? Here. No, here. We have the modal verbs. We have would. What else?
Should.
Should. Very good. What else?
Uh, would. We have would.
Would.
Yeah.
Yes. Must.
Oh,
Hmm. Would, should, could, must. That one. That is a modal verb.
what is the model for?
Can.
I don't understand model verb very much.
You don't understand modal verbs very much. I have it here actually. Special auxiliary. Helping verb. Special auxiliary verbs that expresses ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. This is, where's my annotation? Expresses possibility, ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Either, neither. We have can, could, may, might, shall, should, would, will, would, must. Is it still a question for you or did you get it? Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so did you understand it? It
Yes.
expresses possibility, permission. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have an example sentence. We have, I want you to give the example sentence instead.
Uh, I should go to sleep
I
early.
should, I should go to sleep early. I should go to sleep early. Yes. Did I spell it correctly? Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, we have the helping verbs. This is the most difficult part of the verb because even I have difficulty with it sometimes. These are the verbs. I understand it, but it's difficult to explain it. These are the verbs that help another verbs. For example, we have been. No, have been running. Has been running, like that. We or should run. So for example, our action verb is run. Okay? So should is also a verb, right? It's a modal verb and an action verb. Okay? So the word should is helping the word run, the verb run. So that's why it's a helping verb. So helping verbs are two verbs that are helping each other complete the thought of a sentence.
Ah, okay, I understand.
Okay, that's good. It's the first time I had to explain this one. That's good. Okay, I'm impressed. So now I want you to give an example.
Uh, I don't know. Mm,
Maybe start with modal verbs and action verbs together.
uh, I I don't know. She might be a doctor.
She might be a doctor. That's a good one. She might be a
Oh,
yes. That's okay. We have
yeah.
it. Might is a modal verb and be is a linking verb.
Oh,
Yeah, so that is a helping verb.
oh,
Okay. Next one, we have the transitive verb. So unlike this one, this is the main verb. Action, linking, modal. That is the three main verbs. Once you know that, it's easy to understand the three next verbs. So, first we have, I'm confused, huh? Transitive, I think it's the complete thought. Transitive, where is that? Okay, before I find it, let me explain it. Ayan, here, I found it. Verbs that do not take a direct object. So he runs fast. The baby cried loudly. What's next?
oh. It's like a study it is I don't know how to explain, but I think I understand a little bit.
Yeah, this is wrong. This is a wrong example. Actually, I got this from ChatGPT, but this is a wrong example.
Oh,
Where was our intransitive? There. So when we say transitive, for example, I am cooking. This is an example of a transitive verb. There is a verb and there is an object. Who is cooking? I. What are you doing? Cooking. Do we have the linking verb? Yes. Is the thought complete? Yes. When we say intransitive, uh, it has an incomplete thought. For example, she studies. She runs. No, 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 no. That's a sentence. Another example, she runs. That one. So this is an intransitive verb. Because for example, she runs. Who runs? She. How did she run?
She ran like a lion.
Is it fast? Is it slow?
why the she's like she runs, we don't have this. She is
Yeah.
run. Why?
Yes. Yes, there is no linking verb. It's just an object and the verb together. Okay, you got it. That's good. You're getting it. Uh-huh. It's just an object and the verb. No linking verb, no modal verb, nothing to nothing to complete the thought. The thought is questionable. Okay? So those are the kinds of verb. So I think we can proceed to the verb tenses. But let's have a wrap up first. So in each kind of verb, I want you to give a sentence, an example sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for an example of action verb,
And I climbing on the mountain.
I am clapping on the mountain.
Yes.
Very good. That's don't give me a sentence maybe. Maybe be direct with what the verb is. Clapping, climbing,
Climbing.
sorry,
Yeah.
climbing. Next one, a linking verb. Sentence. Okay, sentence for this one.
She is my teacher.
What's the linking verb?
Is.
Okay. How about for modal verbs? Okay, give me a sentence instead. I'm sorry.
Um. You you should study English.
Yes, very good. Oh, you should study English.
Yeah.
Study is an study. Is
Study.
it adjective?
Uh,
Adjective or action? I want you to try to think. Study is it an adjective or adverb, brother? Adverb or an action?
uh, uh, so I make a sentence again.
No. I mean, is the word study an action or an adverb? Study is
I don't know.
an action. Study is an action verb, okay? Okay,
Okay.
study. So, what's your sentence again? She should.
You should study English.
Okay, you should study English. So, that is when we say should and study, that's also a
Modal verb.
yes, we have a modal verb, we have an action. All together, we have another verb with the word
The
should
statement.
study.
No. Helping verbs.
Yes, it is an helping verb. Okay, another example of helping verb.
Uh. You could change my mind.
You could change my mind.
Yeah. It is okay.
Change. Change is an adjective, adverb.
So I think it's the action verb.
You think change is an action verb?
Yes.
Because in the sentence, okay. Can you give another example?
Uh. Uh. You must try this.
Must. You're
I don't know. I
going
see
far.
it. I just see it in the menu or when I go to the restaurant. So I think they write it in the menu.
Okay, but try is also okay. So those words that you are using could be an adverb or a verb, an action verb. So in your first sentence, the word change was an action. You use it as an action verb. But in your second sentence, you use the word try, right?
Yeah.
And in that part, try was an action verb also, but I was not sure when the first time I heard it, but it's correct. Okay, that's difficult, right? Helping
Yeah.
verbs is more difficult than transitive and intransitive. Do you agree?
I think intransitive is difficult for me, but
Intransitive.
yeah,
Mm.
intransitive.
Okay, so let's try the next one. Transitive verb.
Uh, I am a pilot.
Aw, it should have an
I am.
action verb.
I
A
am.
transitive should have an action verb.
Oh, actually,
Mm-hmm.
I uh, I am running.
Yes, that's a good example. Okay, try to remember that a transitive verb must and will always and should have an action verb. Okay, next one, intransitive.
She dies.
She dies. What a, what a brutal one. Okay, that's a good example also. Dies, you're lucky because the word die is an action verb. So, yes, remember that an transitive and intransitive verb must and will always have an action verb, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so questions about where's my water? Yeah, that's my question. Sorry. Do you have questions about the kinds of verbs?
Now,
Okay, I think for you it's not difficult. You learned it quite quickly. Have you learned this before?
I don't learn it before, but my I when I secondary,
Mhm.
I think I'm very good in uh what is it? Literature? I don't know. It's like Vietnamese.
Vietnamese literature.
Yes.
What's the connection, my dear? I'm trying to I'm trying to understand where's the connection.
It's like a Vietnamese, like a language.
I
Have
had this.
yeah, it's have a grammar too. But I think it's kind of difficult more than English. I don't know how I study it.
Mhm. So yes, was it? It's not difficult for you. I saw that you learned it, and that's good. So as long as you memorize this one, you are now good to study the verb tenses. This is the kinds of verb, and the next thing that we will study to on Wednesday, or rather, is this one, the present simple tense. So this one might be quite difficult, but we have formulas. We will only focus on the positive formula. And yeah, as long as you know the verbs in the sentence, you are good to go. And it's easy for you to learn this one. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. So I think you teach me very clearly. I think it's interesting. So I can remember very fast.
Yes, you learned
But
also quickly. Very quickly. I was surprised actually.
actually, I think I'm not. I am kind of very good in my Vietnamese. So I just refuse when I study English. It's like I don't have we
The
should start.
structure.
Yeah.
But now you do, and that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that ends our lesson for today, Charles. Thank you very much. And I hope that you stay safe.
Yes.
Yeah, earthquakes might be in the Philippines, but it could travel over time. So yes,
Yeah.
stay safe, and I will see you on Wednesday. Thank you, and
Okay.
goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. See you again.
See you again.
See you again.